Okay, so we're going to be exploring cue sound effects. You know that when you watch a movie or a TV show, that it would be pretty boring if there wasn't anything going on, if it was only talking. Things that make it interesting are sound effects and music that's kind of going on in the background. So you are going to create your very own movie sound effects today. So the first thing we're going to do is watch the video so that you know what you're working with. You will see there is no sound, so it's up to you to add that in. Here we go. I click play. All right, and that's the end. It's a cute little video, but it definitely needs some sound. So we're going to be working with everything that's already built in, and you can see there's already some suggested sounds here, but I'm actually going to click on this arrow, and I'm going to start with some music. I want background music, and in the beginning, I'm kind of looking for, let's see, do I want adventurous? Well, let's see, I can click on it and hear how it sounds. Fun, but I think I might want an action hero. Oh yeah. So I'm going to take this action hero sound, that sounds perfect, and I'm going to drag it down to sound effects 1. And I just drop it, just drop it into place right at the beginning. Now if I want to see what that looks like, with that I can go ahead and push play. I can also adjust the volume. If I feel like it's too loud, I can change this slider knob and lower the volume, or I can keep it up. Since there's not going to be really anything else at the beginning, I'm going to stick with the kind of loud. Here we go. Okay, I like how that sounds. Now I'm going to go backwards a little bit, and remember where it said the crab? I'm going to drag this red arrow back to where it said the crab, where he sort of introduces himself as a character, and I'm going to add a sound to go with that. So let's see, I'm going to click here and get all my things, and I'm going to go to sound. Buzzers, crashes. Oh, actually, you know what? I feel like with outdoors, beach, because we're on the beach. Let's look. Radio. What about pirates? Ooh, perfect. I'm going to drag that, and I'm going to drag it down here because I want it to happen while the music is still going. So now let's drag this red icon arrow back a little bit and see how that sounds. I like it. Okay, so he's going to be walking, and then remember that light, he's sort of like about to bite the toe, and then he gets that light bulb idea. So I want a sound that can go right there with the light bulb idea. Now, I'm not quite lined up, so I can click this, see where it says nudge selected audio? Well, what I can do is find my sound and get it in just the right spot. Now, I want like a sound that's going to be kind of like a ding or a ta-da. Let's see, what does electronic give? No, none of those seem right. What about a hit? How about that? A bell ring, like I'm getting an idea. Like a light bulb just went off. Okay, so I'm gonna, let's say I don't get it right in the right spot. I'm gonna nudge the audio. See how it's got the yellow box around it? That means it's highlighted. I'm just gonna push it till it lines up where the light bulb is. Okay, so now let me rewind and just check how that looks and sounds from here. Perfect. I like that a lot. All right, pause. Now I have to remind myself what's going to happen. So watch it for another second. Ooh, he's getting mad. Ooh, and he bites that toe. Okay, so let's see. First, I want some music where he's getting like a little angry. So let's do a mood. Ooh, he is sneaky, but maybe he's evil. Oh, I think that sounds so good when he's getting that idea. And then he turns a little bit evil right there. And he's going to bite the toe. And I need some sound. Let's see. Human. Oh, wait. I think there was something that said shouts. Okay. Ooh. That sounds kind of good. Painful. Oh, well, there we go. So now where do I have some free space? I can't drag it on top of that. Oh, actually, maybe I could. Let's see if that works. I don't know if I can do it on top of it. No, it puts it next to it. So you need to layer it somewhere where you have some space, right where he bites the toe. But I'm not going to do it right as he bites because it takes a second for it to hurt. So let's find it. He grabs on, and I think it'll start hurting right about there. So let's watch this. See how it goes. Okay, I actually think it needs to be a little bit earlier, so I'm just going to nudge it back, and now let's rewind and see how that looks. Okay, and then you know what? I kind of want my crab to be happy. What could he, oh, laughter. Oh, and he's pretty evil. Or is he creepy? Oh, he's creepy. So now let's add that in where he's laughing. Okay, and then let's play it. Okay, before I keep going, I want to highlight something. I have not saved this yet, and if I don't save it and something happens, I'm going to lose it. So click Save. I have to name it. Okay, so it's going to be Ms. H. Crab Video. And click OK. Whew, all right, let's keep on going. Now he's walking away, so I think he needs some triumphant music. So let's add some music there. That sounds like his mood. He sounds pretty happy. Oh, I think that sounds good. Good. All right, so he's going to be walking away happy. Now, I think this one is a little bit, I'm going to lower that one. And can I make it shorter is the question, which I actually don't know the answer to. I think if I move it, no. He gets his sinister idea. All right. So now we've got some happy music while the crab is walking away. He's pretty happy with himself. Wait, this is all the sinister stuff here. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, and I'm going to move this happy music over a little bit because he's pretty happy with himself right as he walks away. But now something is coming, so it's a little bit, oh, it's sneaky. Did we already do sneaky? Oh, I think the human is a little sneaky, and we're going to put that right where we start seeing the pail. Okay, let's see how that goes. I think I need it to be nudged a little bit over here. Okay, so now let's watch what we've got. I wish I could shorten this. I'm sure there's a way I can. I just don't quite know how to do it. All right, so now we've got our crab who's stuck. And then what's going to happen? Oh, he bangs. So I need to make a sound for that. Let's see. Bang, sounds, hits. He's hitting. Metal ring, perfect. So I'm going to try and drop that right with the word tap. And then I think there were a couple, maybe there were, let's do another metal one. There was another tap right there. Let's see how that looks. All right, and now he's going to scooch away. It does not end well for our crab, but he was kind of mean, so let's do mood. And he's kind of sad, not triumphant, descending, evil, happy. Let's see what our other options are for background. Folk, adventurous. There's got to be something here that's mysterious. Oh, sad. Let's see. Probably medium. I think there's a little bit of medium. All right, let's see. I think I'm going to watch it from the beginning. I drag my red thing all the way to the beginning, and I'm going to click play. Okay, so then it kind of goes to the end. There were a couple places where I was like, oh, maybe I want to change a little bit. Like I didn't think my tap quite lined up right with the sound. So let's see if I can get that a little better. Oh, there it is. So I'm just going to drag. Actually, you know what? I'm going to nudge it, nudge it, nudge it. And then this one, I think I could nudge it. And then I thought that could have been a little bit earlier. And then that could have been a little bit earlier. And then this is like a little on the long side. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to delete this one. I'm just going to drag it out of the way. Should be able to get rid of it. My sad is gone. I'm going to do a sad short. And I'm going to wait a little second here. And let's see if that looks a little bit better. And again, I can keep playing with it. Oh, my taps are way off. I got to get that much earlier. Tap, tap. Right there. Okay, let's try that now. And I could probably even get that a little bit earlier here. And this one, which sound was that? I might want to, I'm not sure those layered well enough. I wish that this one could be a little bit shorter. I have to look up to how to make it a little shorter. Doesn't quite work. And then let's see if that one can move a tiny bit so that I can hear them both a little better. Anyway, you see the deal. You can play with it. I'm going to switch it. I'm going to get rid of my sad short and put in a sad medium, and I'm going to have it line up right there. And then I'm going to save it again because I feel like I'm finally at the end. And then I can click show time and it'll play the whole thing. And there you have it.